Again, Andy with Handy Andy, and we are out just finishing up this project for an FHA appraisal inspection. And so we've come through, it's gonna be hard to see in this light, but we've repainted this corner board up here to the roof line. We've repainted this one right here, which is part of the appraiser's issues. There was another contractor a couple of days ago that came in here, did these repairs to the real estate agent, and this panel over here on the left side was so rotted through, he puttied it with joint compound, which never dried. And so when the inspector came, it just kind of crumbled. A lot of times the appraisers are coming back out. So if you're an agent and you've got appraisal repairs, he's going to come back out and check them. Oftentimes they know us, they'll take our pictures and know that it was done right. So here in this bottom side light, most of that is all new wood. We routed out the rotted wood, pieced it back in. Just that repair alone is about a $400 to $500 repair. The bit that we use to do it is about $90. And it's just technical know-how on how to do it. Most people will tell you that if a door is rotted as bad as this one was, you got to replace the door. The idiot that did this work before us, everything here was a horizontal repair. He puttied this left corner. It's gonna be hard for me to hold this, but this left corner right here, he just puttied that, and you can see it was all caved in the earlier video. And here he put PVC brick mold instead of wood. It's a slightly different dimension, so the joints didn't line up. He made a horizontal cut. When you look at this repair now that my brother did right here, you can barely see that line right there. Compare that to the earlier video. We got a little bit more paint to do on here. The paint that's slopped on the stone over there, and the paint that's all over this weather stripping in here, I cheat and use a glide like that. So all this paint up in here, that's from other painters. That's not from us. So we repainted the door in here. Same thing here. We repaired the rotted right frame, the rotted brick mold. We repaired this center over here. Now it's all been painted, so it should pass inspection just fine. We're used to doing this stuff. A lot of the appraisers know us. Over here, it's hard to see it in the video, but we repainted this corner board as well. And this corner board right here to the left of the front entry. And that was all this appraiser was talking about. There's other issues with this house, but all you have to do is once you get that done, you're good to close. He may come back, he may not come back, he may take the pictures and video. There's a little issue with this window right here. Someone had put a ladder or something through the metal there. You can see where he patched it, so at least it's sealed. So you should be good to go. My brother and I run a crew of 30 guys. We're all over Metro Atlanta doing this stuff. Just be patient, we get awful busy, but half our business is real estate agents like this agent right here. We've been doing this for 34 years in Atlanta, and I'm sure we'll go another 30 or 40 more years. You can catch us in the office, or you can catch me directly at 770-265-9017. Bye for now.